Hello guys, if you have been dealing with older versions of Oracle such as Oracle 11G and you have been trying to clean up your SysAUX tablespace, then this video might help you. SysAUX tablespace is one of the most important tablespaces after system tablespace in Oracle 11G. The SysAUX tablespace was installed as an auxiliary tablespace to the system tablespace when you created your database. Some database components that formerly created and used separate tablespace occupy the SysAUX tablespace now. Oracle databases include a lot of tools for correcting problems when it comes to SysAUX and locally managed tablespaces. The SysAUX tablespace provides storage of non-sys related tables and indexes that traditionally were placed in the system tablespace. For example, the tables and indexes that were previously owned by the system user can now be specified for a SysAUX tablespace. There are a lot of other things which you can put it in this SysAUX tablespace, such as AWR reports or StatsPack reports, and the list goes on and on. Now, even if you have enabled auditing, then SysAUX can get filled up a lot of times. If it gets full, no user will be able to log into the database anymore. So it is very, very important that you keep it under a certain threshold. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can identify what is occupying SysAUX tablespace in Oracle 11G, plus how to clean it up. First step, let's check what is the current space of our SysAUX tablespace. Run this query and you can see the total space is 77 gig, whereas 75 gig is already used. Only 2 GBs is left, whereas percentage is 3. So it is quite low. Let's see what is occupying it. There you go. So if I go up a little, you can see that the biggest culprit is this StatsPack repository, which is occupying 54 gig, which is huge. So we need to certainly clean this StatsPack repository, and that should make it good enough. Now, in order to do that, first you need to log in as perfstat user, which contains your StatsPack repository. So just give its password. I am already connected, and now grab the StatsPack start and last final snap ID. So you can see that the first ID is 1, the last ID is 21,119, so which is quite huge. It has never been cleaned. Now, luckily, Oracle provides a good out of the box tool in order to clean it up. So let me use that. All you need to do is to just give this script, which is sp truncate or StatsPack truncate. Press enter. Now, if you like to begin the truncate operation from here, all you need to do is to press enter. If you want to get out, just type exit or anything else. I want to proceed, so press enter. And then all the StatsPack tables have been gone from here, which is correct. That's done. And now your StatsPack repository is gone from your SysAUX tablespace. And then you can run your query again to check the space. Here you go. So you see that now we have 74% free, and free space is 57 GB. Total size remains the same, and I would suggest, you can try to shrink it, but it doesn't happen. This is going to reoccupy it. Also, I would highly suggest just go into your StatsPack and see, do you really need those snapshots? If you are already using AWR, then you don't need to enable it. Also keep an eye on your audit data too. That's it guys, short and sweet video just to show you how you can do it. This is an old love of mine, Oracle databases. I still get to play around with them, and trust me, they are still around. So I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, comments, please put them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And a personal request, if you already have subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.